Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav Raj Chaudhary, a third year student of Bharati Vidyapit College of Hotel and Tourism Management Studies. I am here to share how I contribute my bit toward the betterment of our future by conserving the factors that are essential for our motherland with literally zero investment. So, let's get started. Water. Water is one of the most important factor for existence of living organism on this earth. So it is very important that we conserve water. For that, we need to make sure that we keep our taps closed while washing utensils, brushing our teeth or shaving. Also, keep a close eye on if there are any leakages in your taps or pipes. Electricity. Electricity has become an important part and parcel of our modern life. So it is very important that we save electricity. For that, we need to simply make sure that we close the light, fans and other electrical equipments before leaving the room. This not only saves electricity but also saves some money from your monthly electricity bill. Plastic pollution is one of the rapidly spreading pollution along with soil pollution, water pollution and light pollution, and it is equally dangerous as any other pollution. So it is very necessary that you stop using the plastic bags and start using the cloth or paper bags for our daily groceries. Also, rather than selling or dumping your plastic bottles, start implementing it into some creativity and start making it into some flower pots to plant more plants at your home. Or you can also make eco bricks. Eco bricks are nothing but plastic bottle filled tightly with non-degradable plastic wrappers. They are used as a brick for making furniture, buildings and showpieces. In this pandemic, when everyone is being suggested to stay home, it is very difficult to go out and plant trees. But the least we can do is that we grow plants at home. It not only contributes to greenery but also enhances the beauty of our house, clarifies the atmosphere around and cools our home. Home composting is a very traditional way of using your daily kitchen waste into something very useful. Let's see how I made my home compost. This is my household compost. I have stored peels of vegetable, peels of fruits, rotten vegetable, rotten fruits, used tea leaves, fallen flowers and leaves. You can also add eggshells. I have used a normal plastic bucket, but if you have, you can use a specialized compost bucket. As you can see, we can differentiate the wet compost and dry compost. We will separate the compost liquid. After separating the compost liquid, we can see the dry compost, which can be stored for some more days or can be used for fertilization. This is approximately 1 liter of liquid compost, which should be diluted in the ratio of 1:10, that is 1 part of compost liquid to 10 parts of normal water. We are adding the 1 liter liquid compost to 10 liters of normal water. We will mix it thoroughly till the compost mixes with water properly. Now you can water the plants with this compost solution. This is how we can contribute our bit in enhancing the condition of our Mother Earth, and together we will surely make a bigger impact. Thank you.